Full-time PhD in India. A comprehensive guide. A PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, is the highest academic degree awarded in India, focusing on original research, academic excellence, and specialization in a particular field. A full-time PhD is ideal for students who want to pursue research, teaching, or advanced careers in industry and academia. 1. Eligibility for full-time PhD in India. A master's degree, MA, MSc, MTech, MBA, MPhil, LLM, with at least 55% marks, 50% for reserved categories. Some universities accept exceptional candidates with a BTech, B+ GATE score directly for a PhD qualifying entrance exams such as UGC NET, CSIR NET, GATE, JRF, SET, or university-specific PhD entrance exams. 2. Admission process. Step 1. Choose your research area and university. Select a university and research supervisor based on your area of interest. Go through the university's PhD admission notifications, usually twice a year. Step 2. Appear for PhD entrance exams. National level exams, UGC NET, CSIR NET, GATE, JRF, university-specific exams, IITs, IIMs, NITs, AIMS, DO, JANU, BHU, etc. conduct their own PhD entrance exams. Some universities also consider direct admission for NET, JRF qualified candidates. Step 3. Research proposal and interview. Submit a detailed research proposal outlining objectives, methodology, and scope. Shortlisted candidates appear for a personal interview with the research committee. Point 3. Duration of full-time PhD in India. Minimum 3 years, maximum 5-6 years, varies by university.